Boy, I like that this wears the original yellow plates from 1956 and 7, at least on the front end of this. So the Bel Air, you got the Chevrolet script and the grill mesh in gold. Just part of the call out that you had bought the top of the line Chevrolet.
The whole passenger side of this engine bay is eaten up with air conditioning as far as the unit to add vintage air, which in Arizona you would definitely want, but otherwise looking very stock under the hood as far as no upgraded cooling as far as a radiator goes or that kind of stuff. But yeah, very beautiful color combo here with the two-tone sort of turquoise and the robin egg on top.
Yeah, these are factory colors. Larkspur blue is the metallic blue of the body. Harbor blue is the light blue of the roof. $100,000 is the number.
Plenty of bidders in the room that like the air conditionings too.
Still moving. This is now the number 4 sale of the day. Now they dial it back just a little bit. They got to make sure they got the right number. 135. Consigner points out this was restored with a lot of what are called new old stock parts. Parts that were saved from the 1950s, never used, and now put on this car. Wow, committed bidders here. I think the auctioneer needed to take a breath. They took a little quick break. They give me a little description of the car. $147,000 is the current bid. That would tie it if it sells for that as the 3rd highest sale of the day. And once again, we've had 2 bidders, both going at it, very committed.
I see a lot of what Rick's talking about with the new old stock parts, like the hubcaps.
$150,000 to that gentleman right there. Congratulations. Boy, he was in it over and over again. They thought they had it earlier, but the number kept going up, but he finally comes away as the number 3 sale of the day. $150,000 for that 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air.